And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? What you running here? A15s, FIV1s, Nightshade Recombs, 4 salt 8s at half off. You got plenty of it back there. Leaders up here for you, bro. Oh, appreciate it, bro. What's how long it lasts? I know you can smell them. Oh yeah, I can smell them. This one right here, the triple joint's starting to crack already. Okay, it's on the way. What's that, 4 inch voice going on? 4 inch? That do look pretty big on them. Oh yeah, they can crack at 37,000 watts. Ah, yeah, it's plenty.
still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.